Today, I'm going to show you how to add a button to your Squarespace header. This is a great way to highlight important calls to action right at the top of your website, whether that's a sign-up link, a contact form, or a promotional page. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your websites are displayed. From here, simply click on the website where you want to add the button to the header. This will take you into that specific site's management area. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This opens up the visual editor for your website. You'll see an edit button appear, so go ahead and click that as well. This puts you into editing mode where you can make changes directly to your site's layout and design. Next, navigate to your header section. Hover your mouse over the header area at the top of your page. When you do this, you'll see an option appear that says Edit Site Header. Click on that. This opens up the header editing panel where you can customize everything that appears in that top section of your site. Once you're in the header editor, look for the option that says Add Elements. Click on it and you'll see a list of different elements you can add to your header. From this list, toggle the button option on. This action will immediately add a button to your header, and you'll see it appear in the preview. Now that the button is added, you can customize it to fit your needs. Click on the button itself, and you'll notice a pencil icon appears. Click that pencil icon to edit the button. Here you can change the text inside the button to whatever you want it to say, whether that's Get Started, Contact Us, Shop Now, or anything else that suits your purpose. You can also add a link to the button directing visitors to any page on your site or even an external URL. If you want to adjust the button's appearance, go to the Design tab. In this section, you can choose whether your button should be styled as primary, secondary, or tertiary. Each style offers a different look and visual weight, so pick the one that best matches your site's design and the importance of the button's action. You can also fine-tune other design aspects of your button here to make sure it stands out or blends in exactly how you want. Once you're happy with all your changes, click Save. Your button is now live in your header, ready to capture your visitors' attention and drive them toward your most important pages or actions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.